Alright guys, we're finishing up the Mansory Bentley GTC right now. This is the rear bumper. As you can see, it has these 4 holes. Doesn't have a bracket. Literally the license plate goes into these holes. Mansory bumpers never come with holes for the license plates. So right now we're making holes so he could have the plate on there. And we're gonna go film that bad boy right now.
See all these? All the things you see, we made it.
You did it yourself?
Yeah. I can say that. Thanks, big.
It's big?
Yeah, because he get all the pieces, you know.
This Bentley is finished. This would be so cool if this was my everyday car. I would really appreciate this car. This is really nice. The final touches that we put on this car, it just made the car complete, so beautiful. There was a massage setting. Go back to massage.
Oh, it is a massage.
You wanna come try it? Come try it.
Oh, it feels
it's cool, come try it. That's the difference between a $5 million car and a $10,000 Camry. These come with massage. How much is this car? We should buy one.
200-something thousand maybe, no?
$302,000. Wow. That's a lot of money. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be getting this anytime soon, but it's always good to you know, stay positive and dream as much as you can, because yeah, this is a pretty big number.
We got this brand new Bentley GTC right here. This is the most advanced Continental Bentley ever made. This is celebrating 100 years from 1919 to 2019. This customer brought the vehicle over to us. It's already a gorgeous looking car. I wasn't a big fan of Bentleys before, but now with this new model, it looks incredible. It's a very good looking car. However, we spiced it up. We made it even better looking with the addition of a Mansory kit. This is a full carbon fiber kit from Mansory. This is not their soft add-on. This is their full bumper replacement kit. So front bumper with all this carbon fiber on there. As you can see, it's got the rear bumper, it's got the rocker panels on the sides, we got the mirror covers, and we got the side vent, which shows the W12 logo, because this is a 12-cylinder twin turbo car making 626 horsepower. Does over 200 miles per hour, believe it or not. Really crazy car. This is a white and black theme that we used to do a lot more often with a full red interior. So really crazy combination. This is one of the best combos of colors you could get. The car is lowered on 22-inch RDB wheels, of course, 3-piece with the floating Bentley cap in the middle. This car didn't have floating caps before, but we added it. So now it gets that extra feature, looks incredible. This car had a $12,000 wheel option in 22-inch wheels, but we went ahead, took that off, and got him RDB wheels. Here we have the rear. This has the little trunk spoiler on there, nothing too crazy. Of course, carbon fiber, and we got the full rear bumper replacement with the exhaust tips and the carbon fiber diffuser. All Mansory product right there. You can see the Bentley wings right there, front and back. Those are chrome. Those are the only things chrome on this car that we blacked out as well. So black on that. You got vents on the side, carbon fiber, of course. RDB wheels, lots of carbon fiber on the side. Here we have the interior. You got the Bentley illuminated logo under the door in gold and white, and then you got the Bentley in red on the door sills that light up. So really incredible car, lots of details. This is a huge Rolls Royce Dawn competitor, about $300,000 right here. With the Dawn being available for so long, this would be probably my top choice in a convertible luxury car. I'm sure Sarkis agrees with me. This would be sophisticated, rich Sarkis car right here. I said this car is for the sophisticated Sarkis, like the businessman Sarkis. Yeah. If you were a regular person, grab that BMW.
So let me ask a question. If you know about the cars, 220 miles in kilometers, how much is it?
220
miles in kilometers.
That's miles right there.
I know, but in kilometers, how much?
Because this car's top speed's like 206 miles per hour.
But the 220, if you transfer to kilometers.
Like 300 maybe?
No, you're not good at cars.
I don't want to change the kilometers.
Oh, okay.
I know you already played with this car.
How did you know?
I know everything.
Yeah, but I'm trying to find out what the screen does.
It doesn't do it.
No, it does. I saw the commercial.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like this more than the Dawn?
No.
Because
Dawn,
they're almost the same price. The Dawn is a little more expensive.
Interior inside, this is much better. But Dawn, it's a driving different. This
Okay,
is
yeah.
they're trying to make it sport and comfortable,
but
but Dawn is like comfort, 100%.
That's true, yeah. But I think
So
this
they mixed
I
this.
think this is a good mix.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
I think, to be honest,
You don't think this is a good mix?
no. My opinion, no.
Why not? How is
It's
it
a
not,
Bentley. It's have
how,
to be.
How is it not luxury?
It's not luxury enough. So
How? Look at this inside. It's crazy.
yeah, the
This is
design
one of the nicest interiors I've ever seen.
Yes, design is beautiful,
Okay.
but the driving is not.
Why not?
It's
Right
just
now I'm in
really-
sport mode, so obviously it's bumpy. I can put it in comfort mode.
I drove it in comfort mode too.
It's good. I don't know what you're expecting.
I think
Comes with 22-inch wheels stock.
yeah, but I think my opinion I like Dawn more. If it was my choice, I will pay like $50,000 more. I will get the Urus.
The Urus and this is a completely different car.
See, this is trying to make
I would
it
pick the
comfort and
Urus
sport.
almost over any car out there right now because of what it does and what it's capable of. And
But you don't think the X6M is better than
no chance. Not even close. Never.
competition? I think it's
You
close.
only care about 0 to 60, that's why. That's all you
Yeah.
care about. Yeah. I don't buy a car judging 0 to 60.
But you cannot go more than after 60. Yeah.
What do you mean? So you don't go over 60 miles per hour every day?
No, where do you gonna punch it? Over 60.
I don't know.
On the freeway, you cannot go more than 100 because it's a. I think it's like a.
Okay, and also when do you go 0 to 60 very fast?
Always. Every
Okay,
time.
that's illegal.
No.
Yes,
It's in the.
it's exhibition of speed. It's
Oh,
illegal.
See, I didn't know. But I knew if you keep it on the speed, if it's 40, doesn't matter how fast you go before.
If you rapidly accelerate, like it's exhibition of speed, you're showing off that you're like measuring your speed or accelerating
Oh, okay.
fast. It's also illegal technically. So yes,
Soon I'm gonna get X6.
you're not gonna get anything.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna put my life play Urus killer.
You know what sucks about this car though? It has that power, the speed, and everything, but like the shifting and you controlling the car is terrible. I have it in manual mode, but it's still like
Controlling?
downshifts and it still does stuff, which is kind of annoying. I would like to have full control, you know? This also has a Bang & Olufsen sound system like mine.
Bauer Wilkins.
Bauer Wilkins sucks compared to Bang & Olufsen.
Bro, Bauer and Wilkins is the best.
No, it's not.
Let's people decide which one is better, Bauer or Wilkins,
You
or
can't have people decide that because they
Why
can't
not?
hear it.
some people they do. I think they will vote on Bauer and Wilkins more because some people can afford BMW than a Bentley.
It's LA, everybody has a Bentley or a Urus or your car. By the way, the hats.
Oh,
This is the new RDB Black Snapback Hat. We didn't have black hats for a very long time. We just got them in. We don't have too many. I think we have 100 right now. So typical RDB Black Hat, snapback, and on the side is the Armenian flag colors embroidered on very, very nicely. This is in support of Armenia and Artsakh, which is our homeland, which is being attacked by Azerbaijan and Turkey right now. We're doing this special Armenia merch and donating proceeds to Armenia Fund. So again, we appreciate your support.
So if you guys can support it, that will be a lot of help from you guys. Of
Sarkis
course,
said if we sell 1,000 hats, he's gonna lose 100 pounds.
not 100 pounds, but 20 pounds. Fair enough. Yeah, but this car is getting attention, a lot of attention.
I know it is, to be honest, because it's like it's very sleek and clean and looks amazing. And remember, this is the new Bentley,
Yes.
so you don't see this too much.
But this Mansory package killed it, and
Yeah.
we're one of the.
I mean, in the USA, I think we're the first one to do
Mansory
the
package.
Mansory kit, full kit, not the little add-on stuff. We're talking about like full bumpers and rocker panels and all that. So this is the first one probably in the US. So if you have a Mansory project you want us to work on, we order it from Germany, direct from Mansory. There's a lot of companies around that claim they're their only Mansory dealer, but that's not true. We've been working with Mansory for a long time direct. So Mansory, Brabus, 1016 Industries, Vorsteiner, all these big brands we work with. we've been working with.
Oh, shit. I think this is more than 3.6 seconds.
It's pretty fast. But again, the transmission is weird.
And this is a Bentley. The seatbelt got stuck. This is what happens with the Bentley. BMW will never do something like this. My seatbelt got stuck.
I think that's because you maxed out the seatbelt because of your stomach.
What do you do for a living?
I work for Sarkis. For a heavy car, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It ain't no BMW.
Bro, M8 competition will kill this car in a heartbeat.